Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. All right, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac. And you can see the plays kind of playing out right now. So let me just go ahead and show you guys what I see. We are in an obvious bull trend, right? You can see how price is making its way up with higher highs and higher lows. Now, the thing I see right here is we got a higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, right? But it was just a flag, right? A bull flag. And now we can see it's kind of been pushing up and created a higher high by breaking this high. Now, the thing that I see here is we have a breaker structure to the upside. Hey, can you stop yelling, please? Why are you guys waking her up already? Dang. We pray here, or we're gonna say here, you can see a bit of an uptrend, right? Breaker structure, RTO, returning to order. Now we do have an order right here at the 61%. But the only thing that worries me is this area right here. If we zoom out, we know that this is where price fell off of last time. So there's a good chance that price can break through this and fall through all this, right? So I think that's you gotta be mindful of that. So we have an ILC at the 61% right here, which I'm hoping to use along with this hour R2S, right? So we got about 5 confirmations to take this trade. And you can see here there's a bit of resistance that was here. So I think we can see price come down, hit the zone, and make its way back up. So that's what I'm expecting, and that's what I'm hoping for. So we do got about 6 confirmations to take this trade. Now let's see if price is going to give it to us. What's up, dude? Blah, blah, blah. So it's coming down to that area right now pretty quickly. So like I said, technically we would need price to come all the way down here to break and have. So really we need about 80 pips. So what are you guys willing to risk here on this trade? 80 pips? All right, 80 times what? So for me, I'm not going to go as heavy. We do have confirmations, but it's just a matter of what price is doing right here, right? So what price is doing is it's coming down pretty heavy from this area that's been sold from pretty nicely, right? So we got earnings coming up. The one thing I'm looking at is the 4-hour here, and we can see that it's still a little consolidated, right? So price could definitely come down from here. So I'm not just going to jump into the trade. So we'll see what price does and what it gives us, and we'll take it from here. There it is, 15-minute. You can see the 5-minute, how it's been using this area as resistance, right? So let's see. Goal is to take the trade about here. About 21 pips from here. Let's see what happens. Man, it's coming down pretty heavy right now, which I don't like, right? But let's see what it gives us. I put it myself. No way. Did it hit it? No fucking way. Oh, no. That shit literally missed my sell limit by you wouldn't even know. Wow. I mean my buy limit. No way. That's crazy. mean, the way that looks, I don't know, right? Because now it's the 1 minute finish pretty bearish, right? It's getting in there, right? It's coming in pretty hot right now, right? I haven't put nothing in yet, just because of that, right? We know it can blow past all of this area right here. Yeah, there's a lot of bearish momentum right here for sure. Still valid. I'm just waiting to see if it can get a push up. Yeah, that thing looks like it's coming down. Yo. Yo. All right, let me call you back because I'm live streaming right now. Do you want your peanut butter? It's not going to be there that quick, Dick. You picked the busiest time of the morning to do it. It still has to go through the blockchain, dog. I don't know. Well, good thing you didn't, because you would have lost money. All right, well, fuck it. Yeah, I don't know, fool. You got to hit them up. I'll hit you. God, man. I'm trying to hear your bullshit. Jesus. And this is exactly what I was worried about, right? Was because of this right here. This is exactly what I didn't want to see was this. US NAS, this is actually what I was seeing for NAS. I wouldn't have taken this trade until it got up until this area right here. But you can see price is coming down. It's pretty heavy right now in the US30. But for me, it didn't break this low right here, right? So I would honestly be looking for sells just as bearish as this looks, but I wouldn't be taking them until it gets up until this area now. Like up until here. But even then, I'm probably just going to stay away just because I don't have the confirmations to take this trade the way I want to. Let me see here. All right, love you. I'll see you later. Have a good day. All right, love you. Yeah, this was the move. I wanted to take this here, but I was just like, yeah. Honestly, I would have felt better because it would have been a clear 50 pips, right? And then we say, fuck it. We take it down here, 85 pips, let's say. I probably would have said, fuck it, let's hold on to it. But let me go here real quick. Lower high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. lower low. Now we could expect a lower high, right? I'm assuming we could expect a lower high, but I probably wouldn't take it until it comes about here, if I'm just being honest, right? This is a good sell-off area, but I don't have the confirmations to take the trade here, right? It's kind of following it, right? What are you talking about, Sai? We will. Oh, it might come from here. Let's see if it forms some type of structure right here, right? Because this is where it can use the EMA as resistance and come down, or it uses it as support. Looks like it might be coming down. If I were to take it from this area. Yeah. Not enough confirmations to take it at this zone, if I'm just being honest. So it looks, I have a feeling it'll come down from here, but I'm just not sure we could see that. Look at that. I want to see this. I'm not in the trade right now. It's too risky for me. I wouldn't take the trade until it comes up here. But it can definitely fall off right here. Can definitely fall off right here. Because we know that this area was used as the golden zone, right? Now it came back up, retrace. We can see it, but it's just hard for me to see that right now. But we have the hour on top. It's just, I don't know. Yeah, this was the sell right here. Probably should have taken this trade more than the buy, but wanted to trust that this was coming up. And you can see it's still pretty bullish right now, right?
Love you guys.
One second. Come on. Okay, that kind of gave us a little cause to pause right there, but it's still holding up, right? Oh, look at that. I might, let me see. Really get in here. But the way it's rejecting this, yeah, you see that push, 35 seconds, yeah. See if we could get something up top right here. What did it go off of? 30-minute EMAs down there. Looks like it should just continue to stack up, but you never know. Might come down right here. But I can't take the trade right here. I really can't. There's no ILC. I could see it using this area, but it's on top of the EMA right now, right? Top of it. I mean, maybe we did have the buy right. It was just the entry was off, right? Maybe we should have just waited for it instead of taking it up here. We should have taken it maybe here, right? At this little area here. This would have probably been the smarter area to take it from. Had a 45 pip stop loss, and we could have used it something like this. But either way, I'm still really indecisive right now. I'm bullish, but I just feel like this area right here, we can see exactly what's happened in the past. It's still pretty bearish. And you can see it's starting to come down now. Kind of. See how it's still getting pulled up? But I think it should come down. I just don't have enough confirmations to take the trade here. Honestly, I would have to wait for up here to take the trade. Right, for like the 5 minute, something like this, to take the trade down. And then we could maybe see something like this. 55 pip stop loss, see what happens here. Because I feel like it did break structure. One of these has to be a low. I know it's just not this area here, so you can see it's kind of falling off a little bit. I think I'm gonna put a little something in right here with a very small stop loss. Very small stop loss. We'll see what it gives us right now. I'm in at a 709. I'm going to put my stop loss just above these wicks right here. $25 pip stop loss. It's right at this resistance area, right? You see across, but let's see if it can continue down. I'm up about 20 pips right now. Right here. I'm up about 29. What's up, baby? His yogurt. Sorry, Liz. Eat your food, baby. Alright, so that shit looks like it's kind of coming down right now. Truthfully, 25 pip stop loss. I think we could take it down to maybe this area here. Something like this. I think we could see price break these lows, maybe make it down here before coming back up and, you know, maybe making its way down. Doesn't have to come down though, right? So we got to be mindful of that. Definitely want this low to break this low, so hopefully we see that happen right now. Excuse me. Looks pretty good on the 5 minute here. You can see the ADX is pretty bearish right now, so let's see what's what. Okay, it looks like it did break it, right? So let's see if it can break the support right here. Break the support, use it as resistance, and then come down. So something like this. Alright. Something like that. Hopefully we see something like this here. Okay, so let's go. We're crossing that 50 pip mark. Let's see if we can continue this route down. We will rock you. Okay, it's working. We're up about, what, 60 pips right now. Try this out real quick. Yeah, we still got a distance. If you guys want to take profits, take profits. You know, once indices usually break the support levels or resistance levels, you see a retracement. So if you want to do that, do that. We're up about 70 pips now. See if it can keep falling, man. And you can see it's right at the tip of these resistance areas, right? So it could reject right here and push up. You got to be mindful of that. I just think we should continue to see a push down. You can see the EMAs right here as well, so that's got to be cause to pause. But I think we broke structure now, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, right? And like I said, once we usually see these indices break support levels and resistance levels, we usually see them, you know, come back up for all the breakout traders, because I don't think indices really like breakout traders. So we'll see what's what. Hopefully it uses this area as resistance like we said, right? Something like this. I mean, maybe it comes down to here, who knows? But it still looks pretty bearish right now. Let's see the 1 hour. You can see how it is becoming a bearish type of issue right here. So let's see if we can keep it below here and keep it falling off. I wish I did go a little heavier, but I just didn't trust this trade so much. So that's why I didn't. But you can see it's already up to 53, right? We were up 70 pips. Oh, I'm up 60 pips. Yeah, 60 pips. So I'm in at 709 on KLT. So let's see if we can continue this route down. Okay, I like that. I'm gonna move. I didn't even do it yet. I'm gonna move my stops to break even. Make sure you do that. Doesn't seem to be breaking it quite yet, but let's see if it can get through here. Hey, you almost done? Oh my, mommy didn't put no peanut butter in there for you guys? You only put little scoops? Okay, give me 1 second, okay, baby? Can you get the peanut butter? Can you reach it? Yeah? See how it's not breaking this area right here? We know the 30-minute EMAs right here, right? Getting respected, so we just got to be mindful of it, right? It's not breaking this little zone on the 1 minute. It still looks good, but like I said, it's not breaking it, so I'm going to definitely take profits right here. You got it? All right, hold on 1 second. Let me see here. I only have a 0.05 in here, but I think probably should take profit right here. You can see how it's still respecting the area, right? And this is the resistance, resistance, resistance. Look at that. You see that push right there? That is not what I wanted to see. As soon as I was going to pull profits right there. I should shot up 25 pips like that. Damn, that was quick as hell. Look at that shit. So I think the buyers just came in heavy right now. Damn. That's my TP by fucking that much. Jesus. What's what we doing? What's what we doing? Man, things flying, but I think we should see a continuation down. See if it can continue down, right? Whoa, we. Whoa, we. Hey, what did Gigi say?
She might come up. She might come up before she might come before we leave, before school starts.
Okay. Can you get your clothes, baby?
What?
Can you get your clothes?
Yeah.
Your clothes? I think they're in your room. Did you brush your teeth? Have you finished your food or no? Here, baby. You already finished your yogurt? This is what I always put in there. You know that? Silas, the we.
Silas came like a man.
Ah! To Silas. Alright, let's see if this thing... I like the way the 5-minute finished, so I'm not even going to lie. So the 5-minute finished pretty bearish, which I do like. I don't like the rejection, obviously, but we could see that. It's got a long ways, and I still trust the zone where we're at now because price trust and respected it. So, excuse me. Let's see if we can do the same thing we were looking for, right? It's still validated, right? Boom, boom, boom. So let's see if we can do that. Let's see what we're on. Boom, boom, clap. Boom, boom, clap. Come on, price. Just go my way. 15-minute looks pretty damn bearish too. I mean, and we know in the next 3 minutes this thing can flip completely, turn bullish on us, and we're in an uptrend, right? 30 minutes still looks pretty bearish, but we got 3 more minutes left, so let's see how price gives us what we want. Either gives us what we want, or it's gonna go the opposite way, right? So let's see. This isn't good right here, right? Because you could see that there's support. Then it broke through, used it as resistance, broke through it to the upside, and now it's using it as support. The only thing going for us is this EMA is being used, the 20 EMA is being used properly. So let's see if we can do what we need to do right here. Doom, 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 doom.
Daddy spilled oatmeal all over his diaper.
Of course.
And his diaper's a little snap. Ready? For a big yup.
Yeah, no. Careful, dudes. And we got to remember that we got in late, right? So we're in this move late because the real entry was up here, right? So we just got to be mindful of that. So we're up about 60 pips, but it's still respecting the zone right here. See that? I don't like that. This little area here. Let me delete this. We know this is what we wanted. Let me delete it. Yeah, this could be the end of it. I might have to just pull my trade. But I want to wait for 7 o'clock to come. Once 7 o'clock comes, it's gonna either give us a big push up or a big push down, and we'll see what's what at this point. And I do want to take it down to 95 pips, right? That's where my head's at. That's where my goal's at. So. Got about a minute left for this to close out. I like the way the 5-minute looks so far. The 1 hour has to be looking good. We could probably see it come down to the 1 hour EMA as well, down to these areas, but I would trust that it's going to make it here at least. We don't have to trust it, but I would hope that it's going to make it down to this area at least. All right. Delete this now. Oops. Baby, you finish your food? Mm. Mm-hmm. 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 All right, 20 seconds. Let's see what happens here. It's either going to be a big push up or a big push down. Matter of what the market wants to give us right now. Let's see. Don't like the way the 5-minute finished. Seeming like it wants to come up, right? It's not giving us that pull down. You finish your food, baby? Almost. Still respecting the 20 EMA, but damn. Hopefully we get a rejection here. B-I-N-G-O. It's pretty heavy, right? Got a little W forming right here. Hopefully it rejects it and just comes down, but you never know. It looks like it's kind of heavy, right? Okay. Like that. Let's see if we could get that pushed down just to this area, right? As soon as it hits this area, I'm done for the day. You guys could already hear my kids. They're getting restless. Um, so let's see if we can get this big push down right now. You can see how it's starting to transfer over, right? The 25, the red line's starting to come over to the 25. 15 minutes, pretty fucking bearish. Look at the 4 hour. I didn't even notice the 4 hour EMA was right here. That's big. This is actually really big. I didn't know that the EMA was right here and how it respected it. So that could be the end of it, truthfully. Hasn't broke it yet, but there's no what I'm talking about. It looks good, but there's still 2 minutes, and it still hasn't broken this area, right? I should just pull it. Look how far away we are. About 40 pips. I missed it by 13 pips, my TP. Still not breaking it, right? I think I'm going to pull some profit now. Even though I don't want to, I think I'm going to just because of the way price is moving right now, right? It's respecting this area. You got to remember that the 4 hour 50 EMA is right here. And look at another big rejection. Damn. Big rejection right off of the 4 hour. Look at that. 30 pip spike in 1 minute. Never good, right? Yeah. Damn. I mean, it got close enough to the zone right here, but I'm honestly kind of pissed right now because I left a lot of money on the table. If this holds up right here, this little area, let me just show you. Clear ceiling. Clear floor. So let's see what it does right here. And then we got the EMAs. So let's see what's what. What? What's going on, dude? There's a little gap right here that just got filled when I did this quick pump. See what's what. I'm gonna exit the trade right here. Whatever profits I make here, it's not as much. I'm not as heavy as I'd like, but profits are profits, and blue is blue, so that's what I love. See if it breaks it. Hasn't broken it yet, right? Too slow.
Too slow.
Say, give me 5, sister. Say, give me 5, Zoe. Yeah, you see what I see here? There's a lot of respect shown. Clear trend line forming. I like to see it continue down, right? You can see that there's a clear little trend line here as well. Let's call it like this. Boom. See if it can break. Uh-oh. All right, baby, you finished? Let's brush your teeth and wash your face. Hmm? All right. Oh, eat it. Come on, you're almost done.
It's cold.
Don't start with me, please.
Okay, but it's really
All right, I'm going to take profits right here. You can see that skip that it did. Well, it's obviously not going to show it here, but there was a huge skip right now. Missed my entire TP. Damn, dog. How my TP at 620? 3 pips.
Daddy, but the thing tastes actually really cool.
Huh?
Daddy, but my thing actually tastes really cool.
That shit missed it by 3 pips. It's because you're not eating it. You want me to heat it up again? It took one of my fucking positions. I added a position like right here. It took one of them right here, but it didn't take my big position up here. Let's see. E-I-E-I-O? Damn, it's still not breaking. Yeah, it's at that area. I think I'm going to just pull it.
Silas, how old are you? Silas, how old are you?
Let's go.
Silas, how old are you?
All right. Shit, we'll call it a day right there.
How old are you?
Boom. Close the position out. I didn't see how much I exactly closed that. What was that? About 96 pips. Let's see if that's where they have it at. Damn, I got it pretty fucking spot on right there. 96 pips. It looks like it's going to break below all this shit right here. But I'm out for sure now. We'll call it a day right there. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let me get my, I had a sell limit in here. Let me get that out. Shit. It looks like it's going to go a lot farther. But I'm out. We'll take it here. We got a nice 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. I'll take it, right? So there it is. Quick, fast. Able to get out of the trade. So, and it looks like it's still going, right? Probably should have left a runner, but it is what it is. See how it's respecting the zone? This is why we got out of it, right? Just because we knew it could do this. So we got in, we got out. And not much more we could ask for, right? I'll take it though. You know, it looks like it's gonna fall off. But we're in here for a minute. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Whoever did tune in, thank you guys. Hopefully, you guys were able to make some money with me today. And I appreciate it. Hope you guys have a good one, man. Thank you.